Hello grade 4 learners, I miss you so much. Today we will talk about matter. What is matter? Everything that surrounds us is made up of matter. Some objects are made up of one substance like wood or iron, and other objects are made up of many substances like pencil and shoes. Objects that are made up of one substance, for example, iron nail is made up of one substance which is iron. Plastic chair is made up of one substance which is plastic. Glass cup is made up of one substance which is glass. Objects that are made up of more than one substance or several substances, like saw, is made up of two substances which are iron and wood. Pencil is made up of several substances which are wood, graphite, metal and rubber. Bicycle is made up of several substances which are plastic, iron, rubber and leather. Now it's your turn to choose from your home 3 objects made up of one substance and 3 objects made up of several substances. You have to record a small video and don't forget to send it back to your teacher. Thank you.